Hi, my name is Thomas Kim. In this session, we will resume the previous session from where we left off, and we will resume the previous session, and we will complete multiple document interface. Here, and I don't think we need this project anymore, so I will remove it. And here we will edit some graphics. Before we edit graphics, we have to close the solutions like this. This step is important. We have to close it, save and close the project. Then in this folder, as we copied graphic files, we need to edit these two files, and also we will edit these two icons. Let's begin with large bitmap. I will open it, drag and drop, and I opened like this. Here, let's select the last one and click insert image like this and drag it to the end and select the first one and copy. This would be copy. Then here select this one, paste. Then we will paste a couple. No, we pasted the 4 icons. I will name it, I will edit it, save it, then I will edit it. T. The first one will be R. R means RTF. I will have bigger font. Okay, it looks like this, and I will save it and select next one. This will be web. Like this. Save it, and this one will be T. T means text. We are preparing icons like this. Save it, and this one I will have it S. I'm making simple icons like this. S means script. Okay, so I made 1, 2, 3, 4 icons, and I don't think I need it, so I can remove it like this. Okay, removed. So please remember, image 9, image index is 9, starts RWTS. I save it, and I will make it smaller. Then I will open another bitmap. This is file large bitmap, and I will open file small bitmap, drag and drop like this. And the same way, select the last one, then click plus insert image and drag it to the end and select the first one and copy and select paste. I will change it a little bit, and selection tool like this, copy paste. Okay, then I move it. Looks like this, a little bit bigger, and I will copy it to I will copy, paste to the bottom. It becomes bigger, and I will copy it, paste. Okay, it becomes bigger than this one, looks bigger. So save it and I select it, copy, and paste. I pasted this 4 images. I can delete the last one. So it will be R. This is too big, so I will make it smaller, like R, like this. Okay, save it. Then second, W. Looks is too big. I'll make a smaller one. 7 point. Okay. W. Then T. Bigger font. T. Okay. S. Okay, I made. Remember the image index starts with 11, the last one. I saved it and I close it and I close it. The bigger icon starts with image index 9. I close it and I will open another one, two other one. This RTF icon here. This is RTF text, so I will change it something like R. This is black text. I will select blue and R with bigger font like 12. Okay, it looks okay. Save it and the bigger one. Once again, I will select this one. Okay, save it. Then I will change it to a smaller one. Also, I will use blue text. It will be 8. It's too big. I will make it 7. Okay. Save it. And also okay, save it. This is RTF app dock icon. I close it. I open last one. Now this one I will use W. I will start with a smaller one. W. Okay. Then this is also W. And this will be W again. 12 point. And this one. W. Okay, I edited 4 bitmaps. These 2 I edited, and these 2 I edited. So let's go back to the solution and open the previous solution we've been working, and go to resource. Let's check our editing bitmap. So this one, the larger one, we can see the changes. The smaller one, we can see the changes. Okay, so we close them. Now we will add some menu command from mainframe. Select mainframe, and here insert separator, then insert new. It will be named like you can change anything, but we will make it simple. New 0, and here ID file new 0. This is RTF. It will be used as RTF file create a new document of type new 0. I inserted this menu and save it. Now close it, and in the solution view, I'm going to edit resource file, and manually I will edit here. I will copy, paste. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3. I will change it, and we are adding 4 new 1, 2, 3, 4 file type. Then I have to change it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we also have to change this the next largest number 6, 75, then 76. We save it. We saved. Then we may have to remember either this one or this one. Probably this one. Close it. Then solution again. Resource file. View code. Then scroll down. Here we find this gets broken. Sorry. As I remember, this one is like this. ID file new 0. I will add 2 more. So this one 1, and this one should be 1, like this. And okay, I will find it here. I will copy and paste here. 1, 2, 3. This is the last end as we edited. This will be 1, 2, 3. End of new menu. I will use it as actually end of some Sentinel, save it, then I click it again. Let's check. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Save it. It's not yet, we haven't done yet. We still have more to fix. Now go to resource menu, open ribbon, double click it. Here, double click it. Here, we will add this one will be file new 0, and large image should be start with index 9. This is index 11. If you don't remember, you can see the graphics. You can check it again. For example, you can check it. I will double click it. This is the large 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It starts 9, larger bitmap. And smaller one starts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 11, okay? So large image will be index 9. Small image will be index 11. We will add one more. Okay, I will change it like new 0, or you can say RTF, new RTF, and I will change it to file new 1, and it will be 12, it will be 10, okay, then it will be new web. So we fixed. I will add it splitter, separator. Okay, I put a separator. I will remove it later. Close it. Let's check, double check. Okay, save it. Then we haven't done yet. Okay, I will compile it anyway and run it. F5. Okay, we have the two menus we just created, but these are not yet reflected. And here we will change it to. Come back to ribbon editor once again. Double click this icon, then scroll down, ID file new 0, edit, move it to here and move it to here. Then I will remove it. Okay, we have changed it like this. Click OK, save it, and run. Control F5, build and run. So we cannot see the like this. These are at the end. Actually, these come to the front, and it's because these settings are stored in the registry. We have to clean the registry. Start registry editor, and from here is key current user, software, scroll down. Here, local APB, we have to remove it. Select this, then press delete key. Then we will use it again later. Then F5 again. Okay. Now we can see RTF, but it's not working yet. We have to add some menus here. Event handler. We have to add event handler. Okay, we close it for the time being. To add event handler, we have to class view app doc. We need to add event handlers for that. Here in the app doc class, here I will add after AFX MSC void on file new n and unit unsigned integer rc menu id. I will change it like this and semicolon. I have to implement it, copy it, then double click it at the end of this file. Here I copy and paste it, and I remove it. I copy it. You click it and go to the top of the file. Scroll down here. I'm going to add copy it, paste it. It should be command range, and I have to change ID file new 0 ID file new end, and this should be on file new n. Okay, let's build. Control F5. Some errors in the. Let's see what's the error. I will build it again. Rebuild. On file new n. Okay, we made a mistake. This should be not this one. It should be this one. This class. Changed it and build again. F5. Okay, it's working, but these are still not working. It is enabled, but they are not working. These are enabled, but it's actually not still working. I will change it. I will fix it. How? To understand that, we need to understand document manager structure, MDI document structure. MDI document is composed of, is managed. See document manager, this file. It is managed. This file is in this location. Here, Visual Studio, BC, SCR, MGR, Manager. I will open this file. In this folder, I have to open MG document file. This folder is here. Program files, Microsoft Visual Studio 14, BC, ATL, MFC, SCL, MFC. Here I will open it. Open. I opened it and on file new. If you see on file new, this is actually doing create. This function creates new document. This dialog asks us which document template. So we will modify it. I will let it open for the time being, and I will close it. I will make it smaller here. I will add right click solution. I will add a new class. Add new item. Then I will inherit a class here. Sorry. Right click class here. See doc manager ex. I create this, and base class will be C doc manager, and it should be virtual destructor. Finish. Okay, I created this one, and here I add protected uint unsigned int m rc. Let me see. I can name it anything I like, but rc id base. I add it, and here uint id base. I will set default to 0, and I copy it, and I implement it here like this, and colon C doc manager. Okay, I need one thing more. M rc id base like this. Okay, we need to copy the source files. We will modify it here. The file new doc. We will change this function, copy it, and here we will add a member function like this. This will have a uint rc idx index. So save it, and I will implement it here. Before I implement it, I need one more functions, and which will be get. I will copy and paste. I will add one more function here, get document template, and this will return. I will implement it. I prepared in advance, and I will copy and paste. Like this. Okay, if you see this file returns with the index, resource index, this is actually difference, and it will return document. It will find document. About this code, it takes a bit complex, this code. So if you understand about the document template, document manager class, then you will have no problem to understand it. In some other sessions, in the future sessions, I may have time to explain about this code. Anyway, I copy and paste it, and I will fill it to implement it. I will copy code like this. I will copy code from this file, this document manager file. I will copy like this. I copy it and paste it like this. I copy and paste it, and what I need to change in this file, if this this is 0, then I will see doc manager on file new. I will call base see document managers on file new, then return else is coming here, and I don't need these portions now. I will remove it like this, and I have to insert like this. ID is some, it should be RC ID, and this is the function we copy and paste it below this function. Then with this simple changes, our job is done. So I save it. Then there is one thing, I will compile it. If it's working, it compiles. Okay, it compiles. Then we have to change another thing here. App init initial init instance once again. Here, scroll down. Right before this, right before we create a new document template, right before here, we have to do something like this. This MP document manager new C doc manager EX ID file new 0. So we have to include header files at the top of the here. I have to include document manager EX. Okay, save it. Now everything is in order now, I guess. Now let's run F5. Okay, now let's try it. It's not okay. Okay, I forgot one thing more. Say here, after this, we have to change it like this. C doc manager EX this MP doc manager on file new. We have to pass it like this. Okay, so let's try it. F5. Okay, let's try it. Okay, it opens. Try it. It opens. Web browser opens. And here again, try it. Opens. And try it. Okay, everything seems to be working fine. I will remove it. Then in the resource editor, close. I will close all. In the resource editor, once again, double click it. I will remove it. We don't need it any longer. So delete. Close. I save it. Double click it. Okay. And I want to add one thing more. In the here, double click it. Double click it. Double click it. Constructor. At the top, I will change it. I will change it. I changed it, and I have to edit this function. Come back here again. Here, right click it. Go to declaration. Here, I will add one more like this. We don't need it. Save it. Okay, I saved it. To implement it, right click, definition. Here, I copy and paste. We don't need it. And this can be the first file format, ID. No. We can simply call new n. We are calling this function id file new 0. Okay, I've changed everything. Let's try F5. Okay. This is RTF document. This is web browser. And I can open web browser again. I can open another RTF document. So finally one thing more. Say when we start, if we start our application, by default one document gets opened. One document is always gets opened. To disable it, we can start with a blank document, application with a blank document. To do that, we need to change here one thing more. We will make changes here one thing more. Scroll down. After pass command line info, and before calling this, before process shell command, we can add one thing more here. For example, I will add here else if I made it in advance. Else if cmd info m and shell command equals C command line info file new, then here cmd command line, I will change it to like C command line info file nothing. Okay, I added it here, save it. Now let's run. This line enables us to start with a blank application with a blank document. We now have no document when we start up. So we can click it, Alt F, web browser. So this way we can create multiple document interface with multiple document type in a single application. Thank you.